The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Why I have said that? The thing is, sometimes we don't try to start something, but we are so much anxious, you know, whether we will be able to become succeeded or not. So the thing that is absolutely so much needed in our life is we should do something. We should start something. Then we'll be able to go ahead. If you don't start to do something, so how can you imagine to become succeeded? So obviously without starting it is absolutely impossible. I hope you have got it very easily. So which is why we should remember that we should do something, we should start something, then we can understand to become succeeded. I believe that you have got my message.